Who are you fighting, son? Stop fighting people. He's all twisted up, so you got to be careful. I want you to make a right turn on this street, please. I take drivers in this area. The streets are really small and tight, so I want to see if this young man can really maneuver properly. Beautiful. I'd like you to make a left turn here, please. You notice it's getting harder, and he's doing pretty well. Okay, teachable moment. I want you to pull up next to this blue truck, and you're going to parallel park. Perfect. Good. Ooh, what's this guy looking? Oh, he's waving at me. Good. Brandon is doing a nice job going in at a 45 angle. Now cut it back. Yes. Good. And then put in drive, cut it all the way to the right. You'll get a couple deductions. But that is a nice parallel park, young man. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Okay, let's reverse out. Don't get too excited. We have more work to do. Good. Really nice, really nice. Like to see that. Don't forget your signal when you pull out from a park position. He's looking around. We're in a downtown urban area in the United States. Nice job. Go up to the stop sign. After you stop, I need you to make a right-hand turn. So once you do a couple of maneuvers, the road tester really feels comfortable. I'm starting to feel comfortable with Brandon, but I'm still watching him because he drives too fast. Oop, that was a fault. This young man did not stop. Brandon, what is this man doing to this girl? What's going on here? They're playing checkers. Okay, angle park. I want you to park in here between these two cars, please. Cover the brake, go in slow. Don't overturn it. They're from Nebraska. They will have a problem with you. Keep moving up. What is that guy eating, a pineapple? Oh my God. Oh, excuse me, Danish. Ooh, sophisticated. Oh, let me check. Nice job. Okay, brother, go ahead and reverse out. I need you to look out your back window, please. Be careful, look left and right. I think it's a pineapple. You say Danish.
It might be a pineapple.
A pineapple Danish.
Maybe.
Okay, good. This young man's looking around. He's getting more confident, getting more comfortable. Good, proceed up. This lane changes are pretty good. Good, beautiful waterfalls. Good. Go down to the stop sign, young man. After you stop, I need you to make a right-hand turn.
I'll make sure I stop this.
You have to stop. That's why you're here with me. Mm-hmm. Good. Nice head, I can stop. Can make that nice turn. That is absolutely wonderful. Good, I need you to make a right-hand turn into the parking lot where it says, yes, not this one. Yes, this one right here. Perfect, go ahead and pull in here, please. I want you to hit a parking spot on the left for me, please. In between the lines. You pick, cover that brake. Go up slow. Good, straighten up. Good, putting park. Okay, let's go over your evaluation. I thought you did pretty good in traffic. What I need you to do is check traffic a little bit more. I thought your stops are okay. You did a rolling stop one time, young man. I need you to tighten that up. I thought overall completing right and left turns were pretty smooth. You nailed the parallel park. Let me give you a fist pound on that. On the expressway, you merged out pretty good. You did check your traffic. You were a little fast on that gas. Okay, we heard that chime 3 times. That's too fast, and that's set at 85. The speed limit is 70. Your lane changes I thought were pretty good. Straight driving was nice. You did have good awareness. Overall, I thought you did a good job, but you still need about 10 more lessons. Thank you.